Deputy Chief Minister in charge, PWD Roads, Preston Tinsong, informed that there are 4 projects that are in the pipeline in Mawphlang Constituency. In this reply to the question raised by UDP Mawphlang MLA Matthew Kurba during the question hour in the Assembly today, Tinsong said of these, 2 projects under PMGSY, while another 2 are under state schemes. The sanction by both the central and the state government will be accorded during the current financial year 2024-2025, he added.
Sir, yes, I've had the concern of the honourable member from Mawphlang. It's also the ongoing concern of every members of this August House as far as widening the road is concerned, especially in few portions, which is very important. Let me just inform the honourable member, sir, we have just completed the phase 1 of Mawphlang up to Wailoy, and we converted into the intermediate lane. Yes, the portion mentioned by the honourable member, I personally feel it is very, very valid. But the question here is, are we able to get the land or not?
Mawlai legislator Bright Starwell Marbanyang